I was going to be outside of my car jumping up and down as a woman in motion, but it is freezing outside. So I am choosing to record this video in my car, which was in motion a few minutes ago. My name is Rebecca Twitchell. I'm the founder and president of Half Full, and I'm so excited to share that registration is open for our Women in Motion Personal and Professional Development Day on April 22nd at Gurney's in Newport, Rhode Island. I have spoken with so many women over the last several months who are just kind of struggling with what's next. They're not exactly sure where they want to go. Some are sure where they want to go, but they're not exactly sure how to get there. This is anything from what has been experienced in the pandemic, anyone who's partaken in the Great Resignation, to what's happening in the workplace around equity, to racism in our society, to leaders who are experiencing toxicity or culture shifts within their companies. I've spoken with so many people who are just in a little bit of a rut and they could just use someone to help them move forward. So I'm very excited about this day that we're going to have with you. I'm super excited that we also have Tiffany Richard with us from We Rise. We together are going to create a plan of action for you. It's all about moving forward. And then Tiffany is going to help you with that accountability piece when you leave us on that day. Please, please, please let us know if you have any questions about this phenomenal day that we're going to have together on the 22nd. We're going to help you move forward. We're going to answer those questions. We're going to workshop until you now have clarity and you walk out of there with your own personal strategic plan on how to move forward. Again, ask us any questions you have at all. Please register as soon as possible because we want to make sure that we can reach out and embrace your uniqueness right away and start talking about what your day is going to look like. Thanks so much. We'll see you soon.